Here we have a 2017 BMW 320d M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork which really sparkles in the sunlight. We have the LED headlights, the two black kidney grills, and performance kit which includes the front splitter. We also have the side skirts along the bottom. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We also have the rear spoiler just there, and this vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Round to the rear you find the rear diffuser. We also have the twin pipe exhausts, and this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Let's take a look now at the interior. So coming into the back first you find the full black leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points as well just down there. We have the vents for the rear passengers in the centre. On the doors you find the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We have the brushed metal handles and the electric windows. Coming into the front you find the same full leather interior. However, both of these front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. Again on the doors the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the brushed metal handles, the electric windows with trailer for the rear, and the electric mirrors as well. Over here you find the auto lights. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on both sides. We have the high beam assist just on that stalk there, along with the auto wipers just there. If we take a seat inside, then you'll find the speed limiter and cruise control on this side of the steering wheel. If we put our foot on the brake and press the start button just here, the vehicle will start up, and you'll find that we'll be free from any warning lights on the dashboard, as you can see. Moving over into the centre console you find the main infotainment screen. We have the likes of sat-nav on here. We also have a range of media such as the DAB, FM and AM radio. We have the USB, we have the Bluetooth audio, CD, DVD, we have the auxiliary and the music collection. We also have the phone connectivity just there. If we go into the menu, you see all these options that we can go through. So if we go to My Vehicle for example, go into the settings, go to the lights. This is where you find the ambient lighting just here. If we go back, if we go down into the technology in action, this is where you find the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have when you are driving. If you put the car into reverse, then this is where you find the parking sensors are just there. Let's put it back into park low. So further down you'll find the climate control. We have the heated seats on both sides which work just as they should do. Let's just turn that off though. We also have the ice cold air conditioning just there as well. Further down you'll find some storage space. We also have the two cup holders just inside of there, a 12-volt connectivity as well which can be closed off like so. We have the gear stick, we have the traction control button, we also have the different drive mode buttons. So if you press that you'll find we have the Eco Pro, we also have the Comfort, we have the Sport and we have the Sport Plus. Over here you'll find all the shortcuts for the infotainment screen. We have the handbrake just here, the nice leather armrest which can be opened up for extra storage. Instead of there you find a USB and a auxiliary port. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.